Feeling stuck in a lazy rut is totally normal, but you have the power to change it. This video will help you break unhelpful habits, beat procrastination, and get your motivation back. Improving your mindset. Clear your space and remove what you don't need. Then put everything in its place. A tidy room and a simple daily schedule help you stay focused and motivated. Talk to yourself with kindness, like you would to a friend. When negative thoughts show up, replace them with supportive ones, such as, "I needed this rest, now I can start," "I can do this," or "I'm proud of my progress." When you feel lazy, pause and look for the real reason. Laziness is usually a symptom. Ask yourself if you dislike the task, feel tired or overwhelmed, feel low or anxious, or are afraid of failing or even succeeding. Focus on the real problem and take small steps. Make a short task list toward your goals and do one thing at a time. If you are tired, rest. If overwhelmed, break tasks down and simplify. If afraid, take one small, brave step. If grieving or hurting, give yourself time. If uninspired, change your routine or environment. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present instead of past or future worries. Notice what you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel to stay grounded and less overwhelmed. Visualize your success. Imagine what happens if you take action now. Then picture yourself in 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years healthier, happier, and closer to your ideal life. Taking action. Start now with a small step, because once you begin, it is easier to keep going and stay motivated. Use the 5-second rule. When you feel like putting it off, count down from 5 and take action immediately. Take your time instead of rushing so you do not feel overwhelmed. Start big tasks early, focus on one step at a time, and avoid multitasking so you can make steady progress. Hype yourself up with positive self-talk. Remind yourself, "I can do this. I deserve to succeed. I'm creating the life I want, and every step counts." Ask for help when you need it. Lean on supportive friends, family, or mentors, and consider an accountability partner to check your progress and keep you motivated. Set yourself up to win by removing distractions, planning your schedule, and creating an environment that supports your goals. Set realistic deadlines, stay flexible, and balance hard work with proper rest. Celebrate every single win, no matter how small. Tell yourself, "I am doing great. I am proud of myself. I knew I could do it, and I am talented." Energizing yourself. Get up as soon as your alarm rings instead of snoozing to avoid feeling groggy. Keep your alarm across the room so you have to get up. Then move or jump a little to wake your body and mind. Set clear, exciting goals and break them into small steps. Use a journal, planner, or vision board to track your progress and stay inspired. Use a checklist to track small tasks and wins. Keep it where you can see it so the growing check marks motivate you. Make daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly plans to keep goals achievable. Remind yourself why your goals matter. When things get hard, think about how they will shape your future, make you happier, and move you closer to the life you want. Tell yourself you can do it. Let go of laziness, choose action, and believe in your ability to change. Say, "I'll do my best," celebrate my progress, and keep going no matter what. Exercise most days to boost your energy, mood, and overall health. Aim for about 150 minutes a week and break it into short sessions if needed. Eat nutritious meals to fuel your body. Focus on lean proteins, fruits, and vegetables, and limit sugary and processed snacks. Consider vitamins if needed, and talk to your doctor about any deficiencies. Dress in a way that matches the life you want. Choose outfits that make you feel confident, and your actions will naturally start to follow. And staying motivated. Reward yourself for every achievement, big or small. Treat yourself with something simple you enjoy, like a movie, a break, a dessert, or a small gift. Write your goals each week and update them as you grow. Keep the list somewhere visible so you stay focused and motivated.
Hard work pays off. Success comes from consistent effort, not instant results. Expect setbacks, keep going, and stay focused on the future you are working toward. Declutter your schedule by cutting non-essential tasks, delegating when you can, and setting dedicated time for your main goals so you stop avoiding what truly matters. Stay on track by reminding yourself of your goals, especially when motivation dips after a reward. Use your momentum to move into the next task, and remember, just start, you can do this. Don't give up. Setbacks are normal. Keep taking that next step, and over time, you'll get stronger and more unstoppable. Thanks for watching.